New in Stella Architect 4.1.1 is what is called the group plot. The group plot can be used to view multiple results, but instead of on a single graph, like here in the results panel, rather in a strip in multiple graphs. You can get to the group plot by going underneath the causal lens and choosing group plot, and you'll see that you get this panel here that shows you any variables that you have currently selected in a nice strip graph. You can then press and hold on the strip graph, and it will show you the values across multiple runs for each of the indicators at the specified point in time for all three graphs. The other way that you can gain access to the group plot is by making a selection of variables, right-clicking, and saying Create Group Plot. This allows you to get to the same group plot feature. The final thing that you can do with the group plot is you can narrow in on a particular time range of behavior that you're interested in studying so that you can more carefully step through the behavior in each and every DT within that range.